What is up, figures? And we're back with the plot figures, as you can see. We tried to do a video and I figured out how to stop it and then like skip technically so that you guys don't have to watch us pick up 100 balls. But yeah, we're gonna finish up picking up and then I'll show you the surprise afterwards. Okay, we're back and yeah, we're almost done picking up, but might as well just show you the surprise right now.
If you didn't watch the last video.
Look at what we got. A red freaking Nemesis. Isn't that sweet? Now we look cool. But we also have Aiden's Khaos and my Mega Mastodon to make it even cooler. And comment down below which one you like more. The Nemesis, the Khaos, or the Mastodon. Dude, can you help me put this the rest?
One more.
And then no, about 500 more. Oh, 3 years later. Oh, there's one right there.
Oh wait, hang on, I'm getting ideas.
Oh, what ideas are you getting? Okay, just dude, put them in. No,
Hang on. I hate you.
Look at me, Pikachu, go! I don't know what the name of another Pokemon is, so go! I still don't know.
Stop,
go!
Dude,
Go!
you're freaking okay.
Pikachu, go! Okay, 1 second. Hey guys, welcome back, and we're putting up the cups again. No, hey.
No, that's like the ultimate bonus.
Oh
Like,
gosh.
That's 90 points right after that.
Anyways, you might want to skip this because this might take a while. Bye. Welcome back. We're about to do this crap again. Anyways, let's go. I'll come back. We'll have to do this shit again. Okay. Hang on, gotta get a chocolate. Okay. Wait, you want to listen to her roar? Sucks for you. Oh. Okay, stop bragging. Come back. We need to do this. Just shove it all in your mouth and pick up your freaking Khaos. Oh. Okay, pick it up. And then gotta scope up. Okay, 3. Not at me. You really want to go? Anyways, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, yay! Let's balls to pick up.
I took out most of them because I already know how the balls fly.
Dude, we took out the same amount. Let's just agree on that so we don't get in an argument. And we're back. Okay. Yeah. We're still missing a few darts, but I'm missing a red one, and I'm also missing a couple of yellow ones. But
Yeah, but that can't really dent his collection.
but that's
Oh.
fine.
I found one of my yellow ones right here.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Oh, I caught it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Alright, let's have this, please. Oh, there's another yellow one.
Ooh, can I have it? It's like, ooh, can I have all of it? Got it. Anyways, I'm not using the whatever that's called again. Nemesis. I keep getting mixed up with Khaos and Nemesis. I'm gonna use the old-fashioned favorite, my second favorite, the Mastodon. And that happens. I'm just take off the stupid strap, maybe put it on the Nemesis.
It won't work, remember?
Yeah,
Because you need a hook.
It does have a hook. Right there, and right there.
I know, but how's it for them one? You know what? Fuck this question.
Anyways, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. And it's already jammed. I'm out.
Alright, I get to shoot the Nemesis first.
No, dude, stop.
Come on, I haven't gotten to try the Nemesis.
Yeah, I don't trust you. You're just gonna go ham and like lose.
Oh wait, there's still a few more cups up. I must knock it over. I don't know. There's one cup still up.
Oh, there's one over here as well.
And another one over here.
We sucked.
Alright, I think maybe we should end the video here.
Kyle.
Yeah, we've done it like 3 times.
Twice actually.
Twice. I think they got
You really want to?
Yeah.
It's only been 6 minutes. And we have 16 minutes.
Well, it doesn't matter. 6 minutes.
Wait! I have balls in my pocket.
Might help, huh?
Yeah, that might help a lot. Anyways.
Who framed you? Framed?
Anyways, we are actually going to leave this video here, and hope you guys enjoyed. Plot Figures out.